Game na. Nag-zoom ko. Lahat. Tama na? Tama na? Okay. This is the output of our presentation. Welcome to BDO ATM. 1. View account balance. 2. Deposit cash. 3. Withdraw cash. 4. View transaction history. 5. Exit. And so, bali, dalawang account po yung ginamit namin. 1. View account balance. Enter account number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 1, view account balance. Enter account number 67890. Number 2, deposit cash. Enter account number to deposit into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Enter deposit amount to 1,000. Deposit cash. Enter account number to deposit into 67890. Enter deposit amount to 5,000. Number 3, withdraw cash. Enter account number to the withdraw from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Enter withdraw amount 500. Number 3, withdraw cash. Enter account number to withdraw from 67890. Enter withdraw amount to 3,000. For view transaction history. Enter account number to view transaction history to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Transaction history. Deposit 1,000, withdraw 500. Number 4, view transaction history. Enter account number to view transaction history to 67890. Transaction history. Deposit 5,000, withdraw 3,000. Number 5, exit. Thank you for banking with us. Goodbye.
Sad na lang. Daw pa kaya si Ian.
Cut ko na ulit.
Po. Amo na.
Ikat.
Sige na po.